Newly appointed DGP of Meghalaya, Ida Shisha Nongrang has asserted that she wants to correct the perception of Meghalaya police being hostile towards its people. Addressing her first press conference soon after taking the charge as the DGP, Nongrang said that the challenge she will face is to change people's perception. Meanwhile, Nongrang has asserted that the claims of HNLC disassociating itself from extortion drives in the city are being verified. There were complaints that HNLC had sent extortion notes to many traders in the city, to which the latter denied any involvement.
The impression of, the perception, rather the impression, the perception that Meghalaya police is hostile to the people, let me put it very bluntly, correcting that influence, that perception, and to ensure that the people the police are accessible, are there to help you and not to harass you. On that, the demand notes of HNLC, the HNLC themselves have come out with the clarification that it's not them. That verification is going on, whether it's actually them or it's an offshoot or it's somebody mimicking the HNLC. Investigation is going on, inquiries are going on. I would like to leave it at that.
Meanwhile, the newly appointed